Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I will show you how to record a Zoom meeting in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So guys, I already installed the Zoom. So I open the Zoom. Okay, so you see there is a dashboard for you over here. All the information, if you want some changing in the settings, you can do it from here. So the first option over here, it says new meeting. So I will select this new meeting option, and then you see a new window will open, and it give you information about your personal ID, video on. If you don't want to on your video, you just move it to this side, or if you want to turn your video on, just move it to the green side. Okay, now the option over here to start a meeting, and then you can click over here. Okay, once you click over here, it will start the meeting for you. Okay, so you can see the meeting is start now. So you see all the information over here, and then you have the options over here as well about the volume and the switch camera option. Okay, so for the recording, you see there are three dots over here, and it says more. So you just select it. Once you select it, you will see the option of recording over here. The very first option over here, it says record. So once you select it, it will start making the recording. Okay, so you can see
Recording
over
in
here,
progress.
and now you can see the recording has been started, and you see there is a recording there is a recording icon over here on the top left corner as well, which will indicate the recording is going on. Okay, so if you want to make some changes, you can also do it. If you want to stop the recording, again select this three option. You see this recording is going on. You can pause the recording, and you can also stop the recording. So if you want to pause the recording, just select this option.
Recording stopped.
Okay, so you can see the recording is paused now, and then if you play it again, the
Recording in progress.
recording is in progress, guys. Okay, so now guys, this is a paid version, this is not a free version. So you don't have the option of recording in the free version. So the recording option is only available in the paid version for mobile and tablet, but for the desktop you can record for free. On your PC you can record it for free, but for the tablets and for the mobiles, you have to pay for this recording feature. Okay, so once you finish with the recording, once everything is done, what you can do is you can just again go here on the more, and then you can stop the recording. Once you stop the recording, you will receive an email notification on your email that you registered with this Zoom. Okay, they will send you the
Recording
link.
stopped.
They will send you the link, and then they will also give you the password for that link, so you can use that link to see the recording, and you can also share that recording, and you can also see the password as well for that specific recording. Okay, so if you want to end the meeting, just end the meeting as well. So meeting will be finished over here. So if you want to change some settings, you can select this option of setting. You have all the information over here. You can use this option as well, and this is how you can record the Zoom meeting. But as I mentioned that this is only for the paid version. It's not available for free for mobile and the tablets, but you can use the free version for the Zoom, which offer you recording in the PC or desktop. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.